Glass again. We're finishing the restoration of the shower enclosure that's about seven years old. And to recap, we've actually applied the restoration powder on this section here. This is before, this is after. The door is still before, and this is after. And then we applied once we cleaned it, we applied the Nano Glass Protectant, which is bonding with the molecules of the glass right now. It's actually dry, and what we're going to do is I'm going to apply the sealer. And once that's dry, we're finished. So that's what we're going to do right now. The glass now is smooth as butter. That's the beautiful thing about it. Nothing wants to stick to it after you apply these coatings to it. A lot of our contractors, once they have these applied to their jobs, they won't put any other shower in their customers' homes without these products in it, because it's such a good value. And customers will get years and years and years of beautiful shower glass. And it's a great investment. And this product, this product can also, you can do this yourself. We have a do-it-yourself kit and a restoration kit. See how buttery smooth that glass is now? It's just like, look at that, smooth as glass. Look at that. Now, look at the before and look at the after. Total time in this project was less than 30 minutes, and this shower had lots of lime and calcium buildup on it. This door has not been treated or restored. You can see the difference between the two, how dirty that is. And it just happens over time. Eventually it just fades in. That's lime and calcium inside that glass. You can't get it all out of there, but look how much we got out of there. Looks brand new again. Originally, about 7 years ago, this was about a $2,500 shower. Prices have come down. It's really affordable. Contact Dallas Bath and Glass, www.dallasbathandglass.com for a free online estimate. We have the glass protection products. We specialize in frameless showers and shower doors. 1-800-428-5382 or sales@dallasbathandglass.com. Mention this ad and save $25 right now on any of the glass protectant, and it comes with a lifetime warranty. We also have aftercare products if you have a shower right now, so give us a call. Thanks for your time.